We are here at SPS IPC Drives 2018 at Nürnberg Messe in Germany. This show is all about smart manufacturing and digital automation. Back in June we launched our QUANTiC system, and now we are introducing a rotary version of that encoder. We are also launching AksIM 2, which is a magnetic absolute rotary encoder specially designed for robotics and motion control.
QUANTiC is our latest digital all-in-one open optical incremental encoder. It features our filtering optics and latest interpolation technology to maintain overall great performance. Here at SPS, we are launching a new variant of QUANTiC Rotary. QUANTiC will now be compatible with a range of stainless steel ring sizes, so customers now have the option of using QUANTiC with a linear or rotary system. With QUANTiC, we're really trying to focus on the ease of use and ease of installation while still maintaining the overall performance. QUANTiC still maintains high speed, good data immunity, and low subdivisional error.
AksIM is a hollow shaft encoder with absolute readout that comes with a high performance in a small package. AksIM is based on our patented magnetic technology. It uses digital scale for the reliable operation. AksIM 2 is a completely rebuilt encoder system with up to 4 times improvement in performance. We also have extended the range of the ring sizes. Typical applications are collaborative robots, camera gimbals, and pendant tilt systems. And because of the high-speed capability of this encoder, they are also a good fit for the direct drive hollow shaft motors.
Renishaw is dedicated to design and manufacture metrology products to the highest quality and reliability. We aim to provide leading-edge technology and excellent customer support. For more information on QUANTiC and AksIM encoders, please visit the Renishaw and RLS websites. We look forward to hearing from you soon.